Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
The bustling clatter of tiny kitchen spaces doesn't hold me back anymore. My Elite Gourmet double cast iron burner stands proudly, transforming my cooking adventures. Whether at a bustling campus or cozy camping retreat, it delivers perfectly simmering soups and swiftly boiled water. Effortless cleanup keeps my focus on more important things, like savoring each delicious bite. Invest in effortless culinary prowess. Make the Elite your secret ingredient today and elevate every meal.
Product 2.
Imagine waking up knowing breakfast is taken care of. With the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker, I effortlessly whip up mouth-watering sandwiches for my family in minutes. Its timer beeps when perfection is achieved. I've embraced fresh ingredients, ditching the drive-thru. Experience the ease, visit our site today.
Product 3.
I discovered the Presto FryDaddy perfect for my compact kitchen. It crisps up shrimp and onion rings while using just 4 cups of oil. This ceramic nonstick fryer heats quickly and cleans easily. The built-in temperature control ensures everything is cooked perfectly. With the handy scoop and a durable design, it's become essential for quick family meals or snacks.
Product 4.
So here's the deal. I've always struggled with where to stash my mega tumblers until I scored the LANDNEOO bottle organizer. It's like having the Marie Kondo of storage on my countertop. It stacks up neatly, no tools needed, and suddenly my kitchen has space for days. If organized chaos is your thing, this product is your next obsession. Don't just scroll by, level up your space game today.
Product 5.
In the bustling realm of home kitchens, precision and efficiency are paramount. The Emeril Lagasse French door air fryer meticulously combines air frying and multi-cooking, confronting the challenges of space and time with 26-quart capacity and 25 cooking presets. This appliance seamlessly integrates into any lifestyle, reducing oil dependency through advanced 360° air circulation. Experience culinary excellence. Enhance your kitchen with Emeril today.
Product 6.
Imagine creating the dessert of your dreams at home. With the Ninja CREAMi, I did just that. It's like magic. Any frozen base turned creamy with a single button. Personalize every treat, whether it's indulgent or healthy. From mixing in my favorite candies to crafting a light, keto-friendly gelato, it's all at my fingertips. Say goodbye to ordinary desserts and unleash your creativity. Ready to redefine your dessert experience. Get your Ninja CREAMi today.